Hey everybody, today we're going to be showing you how to
Christmas
rap.
presents.
Rap is a kind of music that's good and fun. It's really hard and I'm not that good at it, but other people are. To rap, you need to get yourself a sick beat like this. Oh yeah, hear that beat? Real nice, really sick, extremely sick in fact. Once you've found your sick beat on the internet or wherever, write some words that rhyme. The word should be about whatever is in your heart. Then you say the words while your beat is blasting, and now you're rapping. Sometimes it sounds like this.
Yes, worm. Yeah. Pass me the mic, it's my turn.
Yeah,
I am the number one worm.
squirm,
You are the student, you learn.
dumb,
Play with this fire, get burned. I'm in the kitchen tonight,
yeah,
getting the seasoning right.
salt,
Catch me with mixing bowls, scratching the whisk and those vegetables, chopping with knife.
chop,
Whipping up dinner real good.
whip,
Dirt with the leaf in the wood.
mud,
I am the chef, understood.
we chef,
Got that thing on me like Elmer Fudd. I'm eating mud and some dirt.
yum,
Look at me putting in work.
sweat,
Look at me being a worm.
everybody,
Look at me wiggle and squirm.
squish.